Today, I wanted to make a video to show you how to use your jump ropes. Because I know everybody got a go bag with a bunch of different stuff in it. And one of the items in that bag is a jump rope, and I realized that some of you might not know how to use it. So the good news is, it doesn't need Wi-Fi. You don't need to charge it up. They're good to go right out of the bag. You're going to lay the jump rope in a straight line on the ground. We're going to start off doing what I call the single bounce jump. That means every time you jump off the ground, you're going to go over the rope. So we're going to start right in the middle, and we're going to go forward and backward, single bounce. Like that. All right, now what you're going to do is get a good rhythm and try not to stop in between, like this. That's a single bounce jump, forward, backward over the rope. Once you get good at that, you can do a double bounce jump. That means you're going to do 2 bounces on each side, and you go over the rope on the second bounce. Just like that. Once you've mastered those moves, then you can start to play around and have a little bit of fun. You can do it on one foot, a little bit harder. You could do a double bounce on one foot. Okay. You can go from one end of the rope to the other. You can do it with a double bounce. That. You can also do it sideways. So turn sideways and go left to right. Key is to get a nice, smooth, jumping rhythm. And again, you just start at one side, go all the way across. Just like that. And you can even turn that into the double bounce. Just like that. Another one you can do is you put one foot on each side of the rope, and you're going to do a jump with a twist. Like this. Take that back. Single bounce. All right. So try out those progressions. Have fun. So hold the handle like that, and the rope should be coming out of the top of your hand. And then it will just hang like that. If your rope is too long, all you got to do is wrap it around your fingers one time and hook it with your thumb. And again, it comes out of the top of your hand. You do that with both sides. It should be much shorter. I'm going to leave it unwrapped. I'm just going to hold my handles. Your arms stay straight. Hands are low. Turn the rope slow from your shoulders, just like this. Just let it land in front of you. Don't jump. Take it back. Practicing getting a big, wide arch with your rope. So it'll be really easy to jump it. Big arch back, big arch forward. Practice that a couple times. Once you get good at that, now you can combine the jump with the turn. We're going to start off with just one jump. So start with your rope behind you, turn it, and jump just before it hits your feet. Let it stop, and then try again. Just like that. Now you notice the momentum of the rope, it wants to go back around again. So if you can get that one single jump, see if you can keep the rope going around, get multiple jumps. Go nice and slow. Once you are feeling confident and you're good at that, you can start to speed it up like this. Just keep it nice, smooth, jumping rhythm. You turn it, cross your arms like an X, and you jump through, and then when it comes over, you uncross, and jump again. Double under. So that means we're going to turn the rope twice and only jump once. Jump on one foot. You can switch your feet. Get creative, see what you can do, and have fun. It's a great workout.